I'm not trying to scam anybody here.
Well, hey there, and welcome back to another exciting episode of Dudecraft. Today, I got a nice short little video for you. I've got wood.
Yeah, me.
And where there's wood, there's bees. And not just any bees. We got angry little nihilist assholes who like to sting you repeatedly. So I got a nice little formula here I'm going to be calling the Jim Jones juice. For all you younger ones out there, that's what Google's for. Alright, so we're going to be making a concoction that will kill the bad bees, but generally honeybees stay away from, so we don't have to worry about hurting the honeybee population. But we will get those grimy, angry suckers. So, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to crack open this half gallon of 100% apple juice. We're going to pour out just enough so we can add some stuff to it. Waste not, want not. Alright, so we got this half gallon of apple juice. We are going to be adding boric acid to it. So for this half gallon, we're going to add 3 teaspoons. One, two, I'll do a significantly smaller one because we had a little excess spillage out there. Alright, and 3. Put the cap back on it. Now, we mix it. We're going to shake it like we're Tom Cruise in Cocktail. Again, for you younger folk out there, that's what Google's for. Alright, that looks good and mixed. So what we do next, take it, we fill up a can, put the lid back on because we'll need it again. So now we have 2 wonderful cans of Jim Jones juice. But we don't want the bees to climb in and drown. We want them to go drink this stuff, fly back to the nest and say, "Yo dudes, I found a tasty little beverage. Follow me." So we are going to put sticks in here so that the bees can climb in and out, fly back to the nest, pass on the good word, come drink from the Jim Jones juice, and die. Now, you take these cans, you put wherever you see like a concentration of bees. For me, it's going to be outside next to my wood pile, and it's not going to work right away. It's going to take 4 days, 5 days, 7 days, maybe as many as 10 days. But you're going to notice a lot less of those stingy winged nihilists in your yard. So Thanks for watching. As always, Dude abides, so do I. I'll catch you next trip. Peace out.
Yeah, well, the dude abides.